adventurers, how are you doing? I hope you're all doing well. Welcome. This is Saturday and it's freezing here. I can't believe it's almost fall, and then we'll have winter and we'll get all that cold weather. It's been really cold here, and it's not always this cold during this time. So this video, if you're not already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thank you. And I have two diamond painting unboxings, which the boxes kind of got squished, and I would like to show them to you. So if you want to see what I got in this diamond painting haul and unboxing, stay tuned and let's get into this video. Okay guys, I have two paintings here, and I don't know what they are. The boxes kind of got squished a little bit because they were normally like this, but they're like that. So let's open them and see what they are. And that opened it so fast, and see, they're all squished and everything. Diamond 5D painting by Easy Whelm. Oh, that's my Easy Whelm. Okay, that was my Easy Whelm. I've been waiting for that forever. Because if you remember a few months back, I got this square painting and I said it overlapped. And so I contacted the company and I asked them if I could choose which painting I wanted and everything. And this is the one I've been having my eye out on Etsy, and I can't believe they have this painting. And I mean, like, this box got smushed. So I cannot wait to show you what this is. This is again a 50 by 40. This is the one that I had. Something else in here. What is something else in here? And so I got it here. It is a round drill. So it's round drill. I haven't ordered my September box because I had to pay lots of bills, and so the bills and food come first before my diamond painting. This has 40 colors in it, has all DMC numbers, and this is what this looks like. Let's see. Let me see if I can move you. It's a fairy looking in a mirror. Of course, it comes with your toolkit. It comes with, I don't know why they have these sharp scissors in a round kit, but not complaining there. This comes on a foam roller, and what I'll do is lay this out for a few days and let it kind of get flattened and re-roll it. And of course, it's going to be adhesive. And of course, it's going to be two, so one thing. Wondering if it would go this way. Oh no, it's four. I don't like it when it's like that. Because it's hard to get, let's do this, back on. Look, that just flattened out perfectly. Let me see if I start on this side. See, they put it on, what they do is they put it on one sheet and then they cut it. Oh, one, you can see it perfectly. The drill field is so clear. Trying to see where it's going to go. Maybe this way? Yeah, it's going to go that way. And again, this is a 50 by 40. I got it off at Easy Whelm. And you can go on Easy Whelm if you like this picture and buy it. No, it's going to go this way. Hold on. Right? Ooh. No, 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 no. What the heck? No, it's going this way. Okay. Going this way. I had it right. So I'm like, wait a minute. And you guys cannot see it, but I will fix that so that you can. Let me see if I can shut the light off, and then you can see it. Hold on. Okay. I don't know how well you're going to see it because there's a lot of purples and dark pinks. So this is what it is. She's looking in a mirror. And I've been wanting this painting forever. See, that's the thing that I don't like, is that once you undo them, it's hard to put them back the way that they're supposed to be put back. But we're getting it. Okay. And then this one, I'm just lifting these up a little bit. I'm not going. But you can see all the symbols in this. You can see everything. Let me see something. And it's going to be pretty. Okay. And just a little bit on this side. There. So this will lay flat for a few days. Here are the drills. They're individually packed, which I like that. Here's some purples. That's a purple, and then of course that. They all have the DMC number on it. That it has the number, which this would be number 21, and then 797. And I'm working on reorganizing my drills, and when I go live, I will show you what I'm doing. I'm separating the squares from the rounds because so that they would just be in one thing. And I also got different containers instead of the box. And I got containers where the index cards will fit. So this is the first unboxing. Let me put this away and we'll get into the other. Okay guys, here is this next one. The box is all squished up. There may be two paintings, I don't know. Maybe just one. I don't know, and I don't even know what they are. But here's one. Nope. Just one painting. And this one is, of course, a round. And this is a 50 by 70. And of course, it has your toolkit, and they give you some placers. This is a, well, what is it at? I think that's a, I can't read it, but yes, normal toolkit. You know what all those look like. So this has 48 colors. It's a 50 by 70. And I like how they come on the foam rollers. But when you try to roll them back up on the foam roller, it doesn't work because you can't get it tight enough. So I don't try to put them back on the foam rollers. I just let them set out for a day. And now we can get this off. And then I re-roll it, and then I put it in the tub that it belongs in. And what I'm going to do is put you guys on the floor, because this is a big one. And that, oh, I'm going to throw that away. Let's see, is this it? No, where's the paper at? Did they not give us the paper? They should have given us a paper. No, unless if it's rolled up in here. Might be rolled up in here. I'll show you what it is. No, they didn't give me no paper? Well, that's not good. Because they didn't give you like a paper like this. Huh. So I guess it doesn't have the paper and it has the picture, so you have to look up here. But this is I thought this was so cute. This is her. This is a Halloween, and I still need to work on my Drills and Chills one. And so this is a Halloween, so I may actually do this in October. And I'll be also working on Angie and Oliver, so I'll switch back and forth. But I think this would be cute. She is so cute. So let me set you guys on the floor, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, let's see what she looks like. Let's remove this tape. Okay, let's see what she looks like, and I'm wondering which way she is going to go. We will see here. Again, it's a split into like 4 or 5 different things. Oh gosh. And the thing with these, you have to be careful because they can rip. And see, that's the only thing I don't like about these cheap covers, you know what I mean? Because they always tear. And sometimes they don't. Okay, so she goes the other way. I have her backwards. Alright, let me lay these back down and then do it from the other way. Okay. Okay. And see what I'm saying. Shoot. No. And then this one just needs to be moved over a little bit. Just a little bit. There we go. Okay. So she's gonna go this way. And I just love diamond painting, and I know I haven't been on for a while. I just haven't been feeling in the mood to do it, and plus, with my oxygen being low, I just am really tired. I had to call them and tell them they had to redo the test. They said that was fine because I didn't know with the Post ox thing, you had to put tape on the little thing so it wouldn't come off. So this is what she looks like. And so I had to redo it, and I have like 18-hour footage, so you'll be able to see. So that's what she looks like. Let me try to pull it down just a little bit so you can see her legs. That one's fine. Oh. So she has little stockings that are black and white. This is going to look really cool. Fly, do not get on that sticky paper. Stop. Sorry. Oops. So yeah, so if you want me to do this painting for October, let me know, because I really want to do it, but I like to get your guys' input too. And so I think in October, I still have to mail out Karen's package, and Karen, I have not forgot about you. So I had a lot of bills today. I mean this month, so I had to do those first. So I'm going to keep this laid out. Again, this is a 50 by 70, and it's a 48 color one. I wish it would have came with a paper, because I could easily make it into a sticker. I have to wait till I get paid to get the sticker maker. I did get the tape, but I just have to wait for the sticker maker. And then with these ones, let's put that right there. There we go. And I can make stickers. Again, I'm doing a new filing system. Well, it's kind of the old one, but I am just doing it differently. And so I will be doing, I will be doing a video of it, and maybe a live stream showing you. So if you enjoyed this video, thumbs it up. Also, remember to subscribe, hit that notification, and what do I always say? Be kind, love one another, and stay safe. Bye, my adventures.